instant underflow dams can be connected for use in wider water bodies. Dams should not be connected in moving water. To connect dams, unroll and unfold the barriers and position them together so that the rear sections align. Fold over the top sections as shown to access the bottom hook and loop strips. The base will be joined first. Now, fold open the joints around the rear of the barrier to expose and free the hook and loop strips from the vinyl wrap. Do the same on both barriers. Now, align the bottom blue loop strip with the yellow hook strip and press them together firmly to join. Start from the rear and work toward the front. A helper may be useful here. Make sure that the strips are well aligned. Once this section is done, fold over the top yellow loop strip and work gradually toward the front, pressing the hook and loop strips together firmly to align. Replace the bottom section to its original position prior to unfolding it. This involves folding the vinyl back over. Ensure that this is done correctly. Once complete, reposition the top section. The base is now adjoined. Now, align the top section hook and loop strips and press the yellow loop strip over the blue hook section, working from the rear to the front as before. Once complete, fold over the top blue hook and loop strip and push together firmly. The barrier is now adjoined. Ensure the rear of the barrier is aligned. The front part may not align, as one may extend further than the other if different sized units are attached. When you're deploying the joined dam, be sure to place ballast weights, rocks, or sandbags over the connection to prevent water infiltration. Download the user guide for our instant underflow dam so that you'll always have product specifications, chemical resistance information, and instructions handy.